Hi guys, this is a repair guide and the pinout for the USB sound card and cord, the Logitech H390 USB headset. If you just want this picture, there's a download link in the description if you don't want to hear me talk about it, with all the info you should need. So anyway, this is the PCB of the sound card. This is the back side, and this is the front side. And in this case, as you can see, the cord had been cleanly ripped off the solder pads up here, as you can see. So I couldn't find any pictures of these disconnections or PCB online, so I had to trace all the pads to the sound chip here, and also the wires. Um, yeah, anyway, there's some kind of resin or glue over these connections that you have to remove first before you can solder, and use preferably something plastic, and be careful so you don't damage the tracks or resistors, small resistors here. And the pads are numbered, as you can barely see here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that's these numbers here. So on the back side, from left to right, first you have the LED of the controller or remote thing on the cord. These connections here, the back side, are all related to the controller. So LED positive is the red wire coming out of the black insulation. Then you have volume up, which is the green wire. Volume down is a blue wire. Mute button is the green and red striped. And ground is the bare copper wire. And on the front you have, from right to left, microphone number 1, which is the sort of light red pinkish wire coming out of the white insulation. Then you have microphone ground, which is once again this copper wire. And number 3 is the left channel, audio channel. That's the green wire coming out of the red insulation. And number 4, right channel, which is a red wire coming out of the red insulation. And then once again the bare copper is ground. So yeah, that's it. Um, if the cables are frayed like this, you might need to cut them, cut this clean off, so you have some fresh end to work with. And bear in mind that these cables are enamel coated, so you have to either carefully scrape it off, or I used a normal lighter and burned it off, which worked pretty good. And when you have soldered them to the pads, uh, you need to inspect the connections, and because these wires have a lot of very thin strands, so you can easily bridge a connection if you don't get all the strands at once. So yeah, that should be it. I have done this repair and confirmed that it works. So I hope this helps someone in the same situation and saves you some time from tracing all the connections. Yeah, that's it. Bye.